Don Getling here. That's right, with the National Real Estate Cafe, where you get your daily dose of real estate market updates. Gino's off this week, so I'm going to give you the updates. And there's been this little rumbling about rising interest rates. Did the Fed raise interest rates? Yes, they did. Let's go to this first slide. So the Fed decided to raise interest rates. Now remember, this is short-term interest rates such as credit cards, car payments, equity loans, and so forth. It's not long-term interest rates such as a 30-year fix, but it does affect it. In this case, it affected it quite a bit. So we're seeing rates out. So let's go to this next slide and see what does that mean. What does this mean to you by the Fed, Federal Open Market Committee, raising interest rates? They said this is the first time they've raised interest rates, only the second time in a decade. That's right, the second time they've raised interest rates, and they only raised it 0.25%. Not much. You're not going to see much difference in your payments or what you owe per month. But here's the key thing. I love this quote here by Tim Manny, mortgage expert at the Nerd Wallet. Basically says homeowners shouldn't be particularly concerned with last week's Fed move. Even with rates hovering over 4%, barely, they're still historically low. Most market observers are expecting a gradual rise in home loan rates in the near term, anticipating mortgage rates to stay under 5 throughout 2017. So, what does that mean to you? Okay, we knew eventually, we've been telling you that rates were eventually going to go up. But remember, these rates are not much different than they were at this time last year, and last year was a phenomenal year for real estate. Values across the nation were up over 6% on average. In some areas, even double digit if you're Pacific Northwest. I predict that we're going to have a strong real estate year in 2017, so make sure you take action before rates inch up even more. You heard it right here on the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Getling, usually Gino Franti. Check us out at nrecafe.com or get these sent to your phone by texting NREC to 58885. Share with your friends.